Hey, what up, guys? So, I'm actually about to upload the new vlog. I'm watching Jesse's new vlog. And he was pissed. And he was pissed off yesterday. He tweeted about it yesterday. He was real pissed off at the fact that the Phils lost and the Eagles had a major collapse of 20 points, leading by 20 points, and they just collapsed. And right now, I'm actually watching the Rangers game. I want the Rays to win. I really do want the Rays to win, because for some reason, I cheered for the Rangers last year, and they didn't win. But if either team wins, I don't really care who wins. I really would like the Rays to win a lot more. But it doesn't matter who wins or who loses. I'm getting confused right now. Tonight is Justin Verlander versus CC Sabathia. Go Justin Verlander. I am cheering for you all the way. Do not let me down. I've got $1,000 saying that you will win this game. $1,000 says you will win this game. Complete game, no hitter. If not the no hitter, a complete good, at least 7 good innings. All right, I'm gonna put that on the record saying 7 good innings. And tomorrow on the vlog, I will definitely. I will either be pissed off that I lost my own bet, or I would be happy. And look who's sleeping. Ain't he cute? He's sleeping.
Oh, what are you doing? Just leave me alone. I'm sleeping here.
Alright, I'll leave you alone. Check it out. Jesse got the Beats headphones by Dr. Dre. I like the fact that Jesse's rocking the Beats. I'm planning on getting a new pair soon. My old pair that I was wearing, I know that you guys noticed that I wore Beats headphones. My old pair, I actually got jumped and someone stole them from me. So that really sucked, because they freaking stole my headphones, and they also stole my snapback hat too. I understand the headphones, but why the snapback? See, and I'm not being racial, but it was a black guy that actually stole it from me. I can't remember who it was, but it was a black guy. And I'm not being racist, but why is it that black people have to steal from white people? I don't know. I don't know. So yesterday I was telling everyone that I've gotten a couple new followers. I got the guy who plays Jake on 2.5 Men, Angus Jones. I got Isaiah Thomas following me. My homie Isaiah Thomas, point guard for the Sacramento Kings, and the future Rookie of the Year. Whenever David Stern and those bastards from the goddamn NBA president, you know what? I hate Roger Goodell and David Stern. Both of them are greedy sacks of shit, because that's all that the NBA, that's all that they were doing, is getting more money. And the thing that the lockout did was it screwed some players up, like Adrian Peterson and Chris Johnson. Because Adrian Peterson's not really being a beast that he is, and Chris Johnson's just really sucking bad. But and then I think the lockout also affected kind of the Seahawks kind of standpoint or point of view or something. I don't know. Either way, they had a good game yesterday. I put it on the vlog. We just lost by 2 points. Hoska put up a 61-yard field goal, and it was a serious lopside kick by Hoska, and it was a sad day for Seattle Seahawks fans. But I tell you what, that's the second time that this year that we have had an epic comeback fail. We did it in week 1. We were starting to come back, and we gave up 2 special team touchdowns. We gave up a kick return to Ted Ginn Jr. and then a punt return to Ted Ginn Jr. But my boy Doug Baldwin, he took a big old hit to the head yesterday, and I sent him a message on Facebook. I'll put his Facebook account down there. You can be friends with him if you want, and I'll also put his Twitter account below. I'll actually just put the Twitter account on the vlog that I'm actually going to be uploading now. But I'm going to be putting everyone's the new followers on my new vlog. I'll put them up there. I'll see how, because it's so cool. Because I mean, the past couple months I've been getting like so many cool followers, and I think it's time to go over those too. Yeah, what you know about Moose Temptations by Jello. This stuff is seriously good. It's sugar free and it's 60 calories. It is so good. It really is good. It's real good. It's really good. It's very delicious. It's very moosey. But yeah, I'm gonna go over my followers real quick. I'm gonna and then one of my followers, I'm actually getting her help, seeing if she can spread around one of my YouTube vids for the project YouTube video. And we've got a shooting date this Wednesday. I think we got now 2 extra guys helping us. And we're definitely gonna get episode 2 done, and then we'll get that uploaded. Okay, guys, so here's who's following me. Of course, we got my homie Isaiah Thomas right here. Got Angus Jones right here. Then going down the list, we got Eric Young Jr. I actually asked him for a follow. Then Game Informer, the Game Informer is actually following me. And then who else is following? Walter Jones is following me. Then go check out Lethal Frag's YouTube account. I'll put that below. Then I'll put that site below. And then Carlos Figueroa, a big old prospect for the Mariners, is following me. Nate Burleson of the unstoppable Detroit Lions is following me, of course. Then we've got Kenny Moore. He is a free agent. He's a good friend. He's following me, and that's actually it for followers. Those are all the famous people that are following me. But I'm definitely going to be putting all those followers, or my new followers, I will be putting on the vlog that I'm about to upload, and then I'll put Lethal Frag's YouTube account below today. In this vlog I will put Lethal Frag's YouTube channel and Doug Baldwin's Facebook and Twitter account below as well.
Well, hello. Hello, I'm glad we got your head wiggling. I'm glad we saw your head wiggling.
So right now I'm uploading the vlog. It's gonna be uploaded in like 207 minutes. Good God! So I'm just here in the kitchen making myself some lunch. Got to saute up some onions. Got some frozen Philly cheesesteak sandwiches. They're not as good as not really as good as my homemade Philly cheesesteak, but they're pretty good. But all they need is just some onions on there. The Rays got themselves a 1-0 lead. The Rangers are seriously threatening right now to score, and I'm really hoping that Price can really get out of this inning. Alright, so watching the Rays game, and oh wait, no, they're just showing Desmond Jennings' first home run. The Rays are only down by 2 runs. I'm really hoping that Jennings can get something. He's got the power, I know that. He might actually hit another. Oh my God, no! Is it gone? I don't believe that. How ironic is that? How ironic is that? They just showed his first home run, and he hits another one. Oh my God! That is seriously fate right there, brother. And they've got Upton and Evan Longoria coming up, 2 other big power hitters. I don't believe that stuff. That is just lucky shit. So, Desmond Jennings, it's another home run. They've got Upton's got a 3-0 count on him, so the Rays are looking for another comeback.
Wait, is that what it says?
Oh my God, I can't believe that Desmond Jennings hit one again. And Adams looks pissed. He's got a 3-0 count. Is he going to walk him? No, he's going to throw that strike, of course. They always throw a strike when it's 3-0. All right, so they just did it again. They just showed another, like, home run from the past. Like, they showed Evan Longoria hitting that game-winning walk-off against the Rays. Or against the Yankees, excuse me. And I'm going to laugh if he gets a good pitch and just crushes it out of here. Come on. Do it. Do it. No, he ain't doing it right now.
What? What do you want? What do you want?
So, what is going to happen? Another pickup. I just noticed that Adams has got a tattoo on his wrist. Oh, no, no, no. Oh, my God, they got him. They literally just played that perfectly. Ron Washington played that perfectly. So, on Wednesday, I'm really hoping that I can get a ride up to Puyallup. But I'm also hoping that the weather's going to work out. Hoping that it's not going to be raining down there. Because if it's raining, if it does rain, I'm going to cancel. I'm definitely going to cancel the shoot because we literally cannot get any of the. I really don't want to get the equipment wet. I really don't. So, it's been like 3 hours now, and this is what how slow my computer is. 3 hours to upload a freaking video. It's ridiculous. That's how slow this connection is.
I had an accident.
You had an accident? What does that mean?
Okay, so 6 hours and 37 minutes later, the vlog is finally finished uploading. It takes that long to upload just a 14-minute vlog. Jesus. Mary and Joseph.
Hey, what are you doing? What are you? Hey, don't get close. No! Ah! Oh, he's gonna kill me! Ah! 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 Ah!
So, he just attacked me. And he's still attacking. What are you doing? Ow! What are you doing? I got it. Okay, so Justin Verlander, he's had a little trouble. The Yankees scored 2 runs on him in the first inning. The Tigers just got a nice hit from Ramon Santiago. Nice hit right there over Payrod's stupid freaking head, you stupid idiot looking jerk. You're a douchebag, A-Rod. I just wanted A-Rod to know that you're a douchebag because you went for the money in Texas and rather stay with the Mariners. But I mean, you know what? I don't think you're worth it because you're a steroid using jackass who cheated his way to all those home runs, and you do not deserve the Hall of Fame, just like Barry Bonds, who is also a roid using jackass. I just like giving my opinion, don't you? Okay, so earlier in the vlog, I said that Verlander would go 7 strong innings. He only has like 63 pitches right now in the 6th inning, and it's 3-2 Yankees, or not Yankees, but Tigers. So, yeah, oh, okay. So, he's doing pretty good.
Are you enjoying my leg? My leg is very nice as a pillow, isn't it? Isn't it?
He enjoys laying on my leg for a pillow. Alright, so I won my bet. JV went 7 strong innings. He gave up 4 runs. And CC was taken down. Tomorrow, the Tigers go for the series win, I believe. Let me check it real quick. So I believe they do go for the win. I'm really hoping that tomorrow they go for the win. Let me check. Let's see. I don't know. We've got three games, so it's got to be one of the Brewers and or the Cardinals games. All right, I'm gonna watch 2.5 Men now.
Did you have fun?
Oh, yes, I did. Oh, yes, I did.